So, hi fellas, here we are. This is the connector which I tried to fix yesterday, which looks good to me. Let's see the other. Yeah, there in the black. Maybe you can't see it, but the pin is there. Black because it's not golden anymore. As you can see here, the pin is there. It's not shorted. It's just there. I'm curious if it will work or what. Must say, after the fix, just cannot tell anymore which pin was broken and which not. Looks good to me. I'm curious if that pin which I fix it, will make contact or what. This one surely will. So, let's see you later and let's see if it works.